Hey everyone, so today is about the famous Dalgona coffee which has been popping all over Instagram and YouTube. It's a super creamy whipped coffee which requires just 3 ingredients. I also made matcha latte for my sister, so now let's get into the video. The quantity for the ingredients are the same, that is, you require 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of warm water. Now take a hand whisk. You can use a normal whisk too. Whisk the coffee until it's light brown in color. You should stop when it creates soft peaks. Here I am taking 100 ml of water with 1 teaspoon of matcha powder and sugar. Pour 300 ml of frothy milk into a glass. To make frothy milk, whisk warm milk until the foam is created. Now take your whipped coffee and place it over the foam. You can add ice to your Dalgona coffee, but I skipped it because of Gangtok's weather. New age Machiavelli, disagreed on Tammy, now you with infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith, the 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, why you gotta go? I just wanna know now, true now. Cry and get known, hope you free your soul, hope you free your soul. I might have caught the June blues, yeah, I wanna. Pour the frothy milk on top of the matcha mix. So yeah, that's it. It's a very easy recipe that you can try during this quarantine time. I hope you guys are safe and let's keep creating. Why it's getting colder when the sun comes